Hi friends, welcome. Today's busy Who Will Cry When You Die, written by Robin Sharma. Chapter number 32 Practice the Action Habit. Wisdom is knowing what to do next. Skill is knowing how to do it, and virtue is doing it. Observe David Stott Jordan. Most of us know what we need to do in order to live happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. The real problem is that we don't do what we know. I have heard my motivational speakers say, knowledge is power. I disagree. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge is only potential power. It transforms itself into actual power the moment you decisively act on it. The mark of a strong character lies not in doing what is fun to do or what is easy to do. The sign of deep moral authority appears in the individual who consistently does what he ought to be doing rather than what he feels like doing. A person of true character spends his days doing that which is the right thing to do rather than watching television for 3 hours after an exhausting day at the work. He has the courage to get up off the couch and read to his kids. Instead of sleeping in on those cold wintry mornings, this individual exercises his natural reserves of self-discipline and gets out of bed for a run. And since action is habit, the more positive action you take, the more you will feel like taking. All too often we spend our days waiting for the ideal path to appear in front of us. We forget that paths are made by walking, not waiting. Dreaming is great, but thinking big thoughts alone will not build a business. Pay your bills or make you into a person you know in your art you can be. In the words of Thomas Carlyle, the end of a man is an action and not a thought. Though it were the noblest, the smallest of action is always better than the boldest of intentions. Thank you for watching.